whose palm. If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Be a part of the notification. Shout out to Valencia, Spain. Paella. Or did I say that right? Paella. Paella. I have a bone to pick with the word authentic. Authentic is just a word that just makes me cringe for some reason. After this authentic paella recipe. Don't blink. We're gonna first start off like this, guys. We got half an onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic going in. I got 16 pieces of chicken or dark meat chicken that is deboned. I'm gonna do a light coating of salt and pepper. Also, the good stuff, smoked paprika. Just a nice light coating on this side. Just because the heat is directly right here, I have to keep adjusting it and pulling it out while putting it back in. Does that make sense? Just because my flame or my stove top is not big enough to fit this plate. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Once you get the chicken nice and crispy on one side, I'm gonna do another dose of salt, another dose of pepper, smoked paprika. You see this oil pool here? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add in 1 red pepper, 1 can of artichoke hearts, 2 cups of snow peas, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Once you got the veggies nice and sauteed, I got here 1 tablespoon of saffron flour. So I'm just gonna throw it in. I'm gonna take 2 liters of chicken stock, low sodium. I'm just gonna add it in. Nothing to this, guys. I'm gonna wait for this to catch a boil. Once it catches a boil, I'm gonna throw in half a can of white kidney beans or butter beans. I got this rice here, bomba rice or Spanish rice or short grain rice. I'm just gonna toss this whole bag in. So this whole bag is around 750 grams of rice, or roughly around 3.5 cups of rice. I'm gonna let this sit on a high for 10 minutes. 10 minutes boiling, nothing to it. I'm gonna drop it down to a 2. I'm gonna try to find the biggest cover to cover this, guys. I should put tinfoil on. Makes for a better cover. 20 minutes on a low heat. 20 minutes up. My paella. So I'm just gonna top this off with some parsley. Some lemon wedges. Let's dig into this. Here's where I think I messed up on, guys. Let me tell you. I think I bought the wrong saffron. But, guys, look at that. Oh, I know this is gonna be still flavorful. Look at that beautiful plate, guys. Who wants some? I know a lot of Spaniards. Are you guys called Spaniards or Spanish? Spanishans? Spaniards would be disappointed in me because I did not buy your guys' saffron. This saffron's from the Philippines. Shout out to the Philippines. But this is not the sapphire or the saffron that is used on this. I think you guys have your own saffron or a Spanish saffron. And I cheaped out. Don't goof it there. But let's taste it, guys. I'm actually drooling right now. Check that out. Oh, guys, take the first bite of this. My twist or my take on paella or paella. Quick time. Let's go. Nice. My palm. That's tasty, guys. Even though I did not get the saffron, I don't think saffron does have much of a taste. I did have paella before, or paella before. The saffron, I think more of the saffron is just, some of you guys might hate me for this, but the color. All in all, this is a delicious dish, guys. Look at that. Perfectly cooked rice. Guys, second bite. Let's go ahead. Nice. You know what I've been really nice with this? Sausages. I'll do sausages in this next time. I'm gonna do this. Piece of chicken. Piece of chicken and some rice. Oh. Here's another one. Quick time. Nice. Got some lemon on there. Even tastier. Simple, delicious dish. What I'll do different with this dish? I don't know, nothing. If I wanted seafood, I would do just a whole seafood one. But I heard this one from Vaselina is the traditional one. I was told you guys put snails in this one too. Or rabbit. Rabbit and chicken and snails. I found the snails, but I couldn't find any rabbit, guys. I see why this is comfort food for you guys. Or is it comfort food? But this stuff fills you up. The smoked paprika in this brings out a lot of that flavor. It's definitely hard to eat. I see a lot of YouTubers or mukbangers drink this, La Crome's, and it's just a flavored soda water without the sugar. Let's give it a try. They say they really love it. I'll be the judge of that because I'm soda water king, right? The first sip of this. Quick time. Yes, guy. Nice. Right off the bat, guys, I get this artificial peach smell. Let's just get into this. Not a fan. Not a fan of the peach and pear. I don't know, just because it just feels like I drank this off of a vodka before, and it was the most nastiest, cringiest thing ever. Which vodka was it? I don't know. Some nasty ones. One more plate of this, guys, before we call it quits. Are you guys coming by to grab some? There's lots, guys. I definitely should have put some sausage in this. I think the sausage would have made it really tasty. This is similar, I want to say it, guys, similar to jambalaya. Very similar. I'll say very similar to a jambalaya. I think when you add the sausage into this, it'll taste exactly like a jambalaya. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Nice and simple. Mmm. The word authentic. I had a little conversation with a commenter yesterday about the word authentic. I actually don't even like the authentic word. Who is it to say that so and so or what dish is authentic? The thing about cooking, guys, it's like every dish has its base. To say pizza has its base. To make pizza, you need dough, sauce, cheese. That's it. That's the base. Once you got the base down, build it up however you want it. Just like every dish. A dish will always have its base. Let's take Vietnamese pho, beef stock pho, beef bones, star anise, fish sauce, rock sugar, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. Then you build it up however you want. You drop the base, you build it up however you want. Some people put carrots, some people put daikon. Right? Let's just say everyone's recipe is authentic. Your mom, your auntie, your sister, your grandma, your brother, your dad. It's not gonna be a fun world. When everyone has the same recipe. Mmm. Look at fast food chain. A burger. McDonald's has their twist on it. In-N-Out has their twist on it. Burger King, Wendy's, Five Guys, Fat Burgers. In the end of all, it's still a burger, but they build it up how they want it, right? And that which leads to your favorite. So you have, let's say, 10 burger joints. Out of all 10, a few of them are your favorite. In the end of the day, all those 10 is still a burger joint. You know what I'm saying? Right? The word authentic is cringy. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of your bomb shirts. Like to share this. Peace out.